Hey there, you've opened Blender and the famous default cube is right there. We apply the #1 rule of the 3D world, press X and delete it. And now, it's a total meme. Immediately after, we press Shift+A, go to the Mesh menu, select Cube, and add a new cube in the exact same spot. Voila, you're now a true Blender user. Now we start with a clean slate. In the top left, there's a menu for switching between Object Mode and Edit Mode. Press Tab to switch quickly. Use Object Mode to move the whole object, and Edit Mode to change its individual parts. Everything in Blender revolves around these three keys. G, grab, move the object. S, scale, resize it. R, rotate, rotate it. To lock the movement to a specific axis, just press X, Y, or Z right after the shortcut. Let's add some color. Go to the Material Properties tab on the right and hit New. Choose your favorite color under Base Color. But wait, to actually see it, make sure to switch to Viewport Shading mode at the top right. That's it! You deleted the cube, added the same one back, and mastered the basics. In the next video, we'll move on to more complex models. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya!